Do you feel like your trimmers aren't cutting close enough or sharp enough? Then here's probably why. I've been getting a lot of comments of people asking, how do I get my trimmers to cut like yours? Or I have those same trimmers, but mine don't cut like that. All trimmers fresh out of the box have a preset blade setting that's done by the manufacturer. Some people are heavy-handed, some light, some are in the middle. And don't forget about all the different skin types. There's no way that one setting will be perfect for millions of people. That's why they're preset and they may not be cutting as close as you like. You have to adjust the blades to a setting that's right for you, and that may take multiple tries. The core concept on how to adjust blades is to loosen the screws on the cutting blade and slightly move them up to where they're almost parallel with the top blade. And then you tighten the screws back. I don't like using the term zero gapping because you technically need a small gap between the cutting blade and the top blade. If the blades are completely flush against one another, then it will cut skin. There are tons of videos out there that explain how to set different brands of trimmer blades. And nowadays, there are blade adjustment tools that you can purchase to make this adjusting process way easier on yourself. And a lot of the professional grade trimmers already comes with the blade adjustment tool in the box. And that brings me to my last point. You cannot buy a $30 budget trimmer and expect to get the same results as a $180 trimmer. It just doesn't work that way. The build, the blade quality, and the motor specs are completely different between the two. Hopefully that helps. Like, share, and follow for more videos like this.